Hello everybody, you are on the channel Anna Vanila Arts. My name is Anna Vanila, and here are the 3 hats that I've made this November. As you can see, one hat like this, the design of this hat is actually the same as in this color, green. So purple, the same design in purple, the same design in green. This one is also in purple, but as you can see, it's a stunning different design. And let's talk firstly about this one. First of all, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and for liking my videos and for watching whenever I do. Thank you very much for watching. The fact that I share whatever I do every single month, and I share every craft that I'm doing with you. As you know already, I knit, I crochet, I do knotting, macrames, I do absolutely everything, even drawing and painting. And I do jewelry as well. I do a lot of knitting. I do headbands. I do hats, as you can see. These are the hats, pullovers, and all sorts of scrunchies and hair accessories and many other things. So stay watching and you'll get a lot more to see in time, because I always do something. Every single day I do something. Every single day I knit, do macrames, knot, I crochet. I always do something, and hopefully I'll be able to put everything on video for you. So let's talk about this hat. Look at this beautiful design. Look at this stitching here. It looks like almost like a weaved pattern, like a woven pattern, a little bit like woven basket, as you can imagine, but just in green color. And sorry, I have catch some cold a little bit, so my voice is a little bit dry at the moment, but I hope you don't pay attention on my voice so much, as much as you do on the things that I actually have done and that I'm sharing with you. As you can see, this part of the head is done very nicely. I have made my best to do it. The round of the head is perfectly fine. As you can see, it's perfectly done. Yeah, and I will be wearing this hat soon this winter, and I'm going to do try and haul on my main channel, Anna Vanila, and you can see how I'm putting on these hats that I've made, and enjoy watching me with these wonderful and special hats. I'm saying wonderful because I truly love them. I think they turned out very nicely. As you can see, it's very good. It's my size, and the yarn is very good. It's acrylic yarn, because I have allergies, skin allergies. I tend to use a lot of acrylic in my crafting, so I don't get any allergy. This is the hat that we talked about, and let me move on to the second hat, which is in purple. So it's the same design, but just in purple, the same as stretchy. I shared this pattern design with you in where I wrote free pattern, free hats and free pattern video, and you can see how I'm doing it, and you can learn how to do it as well if you do want to do a hat like this, or just this pattern for other things, other accessories that you might be able to do. And as you can see, it's stunning. I love the color. The color is fantastic. This one is slightly darker, a slightly more contrasting color than this one, which is lighter, but as you can see, the two, you can see clearly the design on darker shade green as well as on lighter shade purple. And I truly love this design of hats so much so that I made two of them, which I showed you earlier. Is this one in green and in purple, and I thought they would look different from each other because it's a different color yet the same design. And to be honest, I think they do look identical. Why not? Even if the color is different. As you can see, it's elasticated nicely. At the back, the stitching at the back, the sewing is fairly good, very well done. As you can see, these are the hidden stitches, and I cannot wait to wear it in my next video, try and haul on my main channel, Anna Vanila, and I will be wearing these hats, showing you how they look on me, and hopefully you can put thumbs up. And I just have to think of the makeup that I have to put on for the main channel that will work with purple hats like this and with green hats like this. As you can see, I need standard makeup, maybe green makeup, maybe purple makeup, something like that, because even green and purple, they look always good together. It's a complementary colors, and I hope the makeup will work just fine for both of these hats in the same colors of green and purple. I've made some headbands, which I'll make soon another video where I'll be talking about how I've made them and how they look like on me. Oh, my cold is just getting to me. Oh gosh, because I feel slight discomfort in my throat. Sorry, my dear friends. I did catch some cold, but I'm trying my best to speak so that you can have a new video from me for today, and for you to watch and enjoy. Why not? And I was just thinking how stunning it would look if I was to do a different design, a different pattern of headband from this color, which I was working on recently. Let me show you. Look at this beautiful, beautiful headband. It's like a Christmas tree. So this is what I've been working lately. This is my headband. I think it's beautiful. You would agree with me. And as you can see, these are identical. Yeah, you know this. But the third hat, it's very beautiful. As you can see, it's like drops of water. It's like little drops. You see? Little drops. Very beautiful. I fell in love with this pattern so much that I thought I am going to do this as my other hat for me to wear and enjoy the warmth and the beauty of this hat, as well as doing a video for you all to see and for me to share it with you and for you to see how beautiful these designs could be. Even on a head could be done wonderful beautiful things as this. And as you can see, it's done with 2 needles, size number 3.5, and the design is perfect for a hat. This is the back. This is the back. As you can see, it's barely visible. Barely visible, yeah, here. And as you can see, I've done a careful job, so it ends up being very neat, very nicely. And as you can see, these are the hidden threads that I worked with. The end of the threads I put in here at the back of the hat, and as you can see, it stretches quite a lot. It will definitely keep me warm this winter. And I'm proud to do this design because I think even my neighbors and my friends were going to love this hat on me. And you can see the circle a bit. It's also perfectly done. You see, it's even, almost like a little sun here, like an abstractional sun, a little bit like that, isn't it? I think so. So this is a hat that I really love and enjoy, and I would love to wear it. If you like this pattern and you want to know this pattern, you can write me a comment and I am going to reveal it for you and teach you how to do it, how to do a wonderful design and pattern like this on my head. I love these hats so much, and I will definitely enjoy in my collection of hats wearing these this winter. And I hope you loved what I was doing and what I am doing now, which are these hats, and they are absolutely fantastic. The yarn is so good, it's so soft and cozy and so wonderful on the skin. It doesn't scratch, it doesn't give you any allergy whatsoever. It's just perfect for any skin type to use this yarn. This is acrylic yarn you can find in any shop, and acrylic yarn has got a thing that it stretches with wash, so be careful not to wash it in hot waters. So better is to wash by hand everything that you need. Thank you very much for watching. Love you lots, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. I love you. Bye.